Hi, to set up Face Unlock on your Vivo V40, we need to open Settings and just scroll a bit to go in the Security tab. So now we can see this face section. We need to tap it to select, and here you can choose your backup screen lock method, either face and pattern, face and pin, or face and complex password. Let's select the second face and pin option, and here we need to select a pin code. I'm gonna just enter all once, and also we can enable this auto determine if password reaches required length. That feature is really comfortable, so I suggested to enable it. Now we are tapping the next button, and here we need to re-enter the password once more and tap the OK. Here we can select to show all notification content, show sensitive content, don't show notifications at all. Let's select the first option and tap the done button. And now here we can see some on-screen instructions how to set up face recognition. So let's start it, and here we need to agree with privacy statement. And now we need to simply put our face in this frame, and now enrollment is completed. Here we are tapping the OK button, and let's test it. I'm gonna unlock my phone, and yeah, it is unlocking with the help of Face ID, so everything is working just fine. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.